Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to show you guys how to make fufu, that is cassava food, APO. We call it APO in our language. Some people call it Santana, but to my language we call it APO. I don't know other name again. This is how you do it. After all, you have long process. After you harvest it from farm, you soak it in the, you peel the back and soak it in the water like 2 to 3 days. After ferment, you pack it from the water, you put water in the basin, then you wash it. You take your cloth, that cloth that used to do akam pap, you use it and wash it as if you are washing pap, exactly as they do pap. You doing it like that. Then after you go come sieve it, you use the same cloth to squeeze the water away. Then after squeezing it, see what will come out. Then you put it in the fire, add small fresh water, then you mix it. You put it in your pot, you mix it with fresh water, then you put it in the fire and you started turning it gradually until e done. Like fufu, swallow, akpu, e go done like this. E go make your soup balance, sit down, eat am. So it's not hurry something. You put it, you have patience doing it gradually until you done, until the akpu done. So you can see it on the fire as it's turning it gradually. So it's patient food. If you don't have patience, you won't do it. You have patience and do it small until you get your food. Keep watching. So guys can see it's strong because small. You keep on turning it small. If you do, I just be like pounded yam, go white, go strong like this. But you have to have patience and doing it, turning it small. Wow, you guys can see it's getting set. Just small go down. See how you guys can see it. Wow, after turning it like this, make your soup. Any soup of your choice can go with it. Then you sit down and started swallow and mama it well. Drink water and sleep. So please don't forget to subscribe, comment and share. If the first time of you to watch my video, please share it and comment. So click on my click on my channel. You see all my video to help you, to help your sister, to help your brother and your family. All my channel is food. You learn more. Please share it. I love you guys. We meet again in my next video. So it's done now. It's left for her now to mold it and eat. So to off the light, bam, it's done. So it's going to pack it in the plate. Wow, make your soup and work. Wow, see how the time is missing it for the fire. You don't know that you turn like this to swallow, that you strong like this. You guys can see. Wow. see e set just be like pounded yam. So some people like it like this more than even pounded yam. When you the soup that is going with it most, vegetable soup. If you make vegetable soup, you enjoy it. See you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.